Hi, lovelies. We're having this, and so to find the derivatives of this and this. Sorry. So the first thing to do is to write what solution, whether you know it or not. Then you bring this. Let's say this is number 1. Given that y is equals sine squared 5x. Now this can be written in another way around. This can be y equal to sine 5x all squared. Yes, the angle can be done like this. Now what do we do here? This is a function of a function. So we have to say, okay, if we let our 5x, let p equals 5x. If we have something like this, then y will now be what? Sin p or what? Squared. Yes. Then if we have something like this and we say, okay, we are putting this, what if we let another, let's say m equal to sin p? Okay, so okay, let m equal to what? Sin p. In that case, our y will now be equal to what? M squared. Do you understand here? This is a function of a function. So our y is equal to what? M squared. Then how do we get the rate of change, dy dx? So for us to get dy dx, look at what we are going to do. For p equals 5x, right? For p equals 5x, comma, it implies that the p, the x, the p, the x, that is differentiable with respect to x, is equal to what? 5. If we differentiate 5x, we'll have 5. Good. For m equals sin p, for m equals sin p, it implies that the m, the p, the m, the p will now be what? If I differentiate sin p, I have cos p, now be cos p. Then we have to do justice to this too. For y equals m squared, it implies that the y, the m, the y, the m is equal to what? 2 subtract 1 as differentiation, I have 2m. Good. Now dy dx, dy dx will now give me dy dm, dy dm dot, if we look at it very well, we have the m, the p, the m, the p dot, there's another one with this here, the p, the x, we have the p, the x. Now if you are correct, if you do the multiplication here, you must have the same thing here. The m goes with the m, the p goes with the p, and I have the y, the x. Good. So we'll now start putting it. The y, the m is 2m dot, the m, the p is cos p, and the p, the x, the p, the x is 5. Good. You all know that 5 times 2 is 10. So I have 10 m cos p, right? Now our m, from where we declare them, Our m is an p and our p is 5x. So what we do, we now have 10. Our m is 5x. So our m is what? Our m is an p. So we now write sine 5x because our p is 5x. Then cos p, our p is what? 5x. So when we see p, we write 5x, and m, the whole m is an p. Since it's an p, there's p inside. That's why we wrote the 5x there. So what we have at the end of the day is what? Our divide the x will now be 10 sine 5x cos 5x, and that is the number one. So let's just do justice to the second one, which is y equals, given that y is equals exponent 2x ln 7x. So this I'll do it directly. This will give me the y dx. What I'll do is to hold on with e to the power of 2x, differentiate this. I have 1 over 7x dot 7, then plus, hold on, ln 7x, differentiate this. We all know that if I differentiate this, I have 2 dot e to the 2x, right? Now, if that is the case, sorry, I believe you are done with this. So I can clean, right? Can clean that. So what we have there now come is the same thing as equal to, bring this, you know that this and this can take care of this, right? So I now have e to be e to the power of 2x into the bracket of 1 over x plus in 7x into the bracket of 2 dot e to the 2x. That's what I did there, right? So if we have it like that, we can as well say, okay, this is in this place, we have e to the 2x, we have e to the 2x. So what we're supposed to have inside is e to x 1 over x plus 2 in 7x. And if you can reach this level, you have done noble at this juncture. So you can as well say that we have done justice to the question. Thank you so much.